Alright, let's talk about the GameSir Cyclone 2, a controller that's been flying under the radar but has some serious potential. If you've been looking for a solid mid-range controller, this might just be the one. But how does it stack up against other controllers in the same price range like the 8BitDo Ultimate, the GuliKit King Kong 2 Pro, or even the Xbox Core controller? First off, what's new? Cyclone 2 ditches Hall effect joysticks and instead goes with TMR sticks, a fancy way of saying they're still magnetic-based but with lower power consumption. Less power draw means longer battery life, and that's already a win. It has Hall effect triggers. They're adjustable. You can switch between full analog travel or a quick micro-switch trigger just by flipping a little switch. That's perfect if you play shooters and need fast response times. Now, if you've ever held an Xbox controller, the Cyclone 2 will feel similar. The grip is textured, the build is solid, and it's got that ergonomic shape that just fits. Face buttons, micro switches. D-pad, also micro switches. If you love that clicky, precise feel, you're in for a treat. However, if you prefer softer membrane-style buttons, this might not be your thing. One standout feature of it is connectivity. This thing works with PC, Steam Deck, Switch, Android, and iOS. Cyclone 2 even has a 2.4 GHz dongle. Basically, if it has Bluetooth or USB, the Cyclone 2 is ready to connect. Plus, it even has 6-axis gyro support, which is great for games that make use of motion aiming. Battery life is a bit of a mixed bag. The 860 mAh battery offers around 2 to 3 hours of gameplay. However, turning off RGB lighting and haptic feedback can stretch it to around 8 hours. It's not the longest-lasting controller out there, but it's respectable given its power-hungry features. Charging is convenient thanks to the included charging dock. Just drop the controller in and it juices up in approximately 2 hours. No cables, no hassle. If you prefer wired charging, you can use the USB-C port, but keep in mind that the RGB indicators might not always show charging status. The GameSir Connect app lets you check battery levels. Build quality-wise, the Cyclone 2 feels premium. The buttons are responsive, the sticks feel smooth, and there's zero wobble or cheap plastic feel. However, the micro-switch buttons might not be for everyone. They're super clicky, which is great for precision. But if you prefer something softer and quieter, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, comparing it to other controllers in its price range, the GuliKit King Kong 2 Pro has Hall effect sticks and excellent battery life, but it lacks a dedicated charging dock and micro switch buttons. The 8BitDo Ultimate does have Hall effect sticks, a great D-pad, and excellent customization software, but it doesn't feature adjustable triggers or the same level of clicky feedback. Meanwhile, the Xbox Core controller remains a strong choice for those who prefer a simple, first-party option. But it lacks Hall effect triggers, extra buttons, and customization options. And let's not forget the charging dock. You just drop the controller in and it charges while staying paired. Super convenient if you hate plugging in cables. The USB-C port on the controller also allows wired play, so you can still game even if you forgot to charge it. So, should you buy the GameSir Cyclone 2? If you want clicky micro-switch buttons, adjustable triggers, great connectivity, and a sleek charging dock, all for around $55, then yeah, this thing is a solid choice. But if you absolutely need Hall effect sticks, you might want to look elsewhere. At the end of the day, this controller is packed with features that even some premium controllers don't offer. If you want customization, great build quality, and future-proof tech without breaking the bank, the Cyclone 2 should definitely be on your radar.